Welcome to Elle's Nails, where it doesn't take $1,000,000 for your nails to look like $1,000,000. This is part 2 of our nail videos for this week. I did my thumb and it's all nice and white and safe and not broken anymore. And so now we're actually going to get to the art. We're going to do some water marbling. So I got my water marbling cup out. As you can see, it's had some water marbling done to it. And I have white polish. This is Broadway white polish, except on my thumb because my thumb has a white gel polish on it. And then I have just an old Broadway bottle, but I have liquid latex on my nails because this does get messy. You don't have to wait until your nail's completely dry to do this, but you probably want to have a latex barrier on your nails. For my colors, because the color scheme today is orange and yellow, I have a Studio M orange. This is a very good water marbling brand. I believe it's a Meyer brand though, so it's only at Meyer grocery stores. And then I have a Wet n Wild yellow. I'm not sure about water marbling with this, but it is a brand new bottle, so it should work very well. So we're going to create a bullseye with those, and I got some toothpicks here as well. So let's get started. Well, I guess that's not a completely brand new bottle because it did not open. Think about the Wet n Wild, these containers, is they do not cooperate well trying to get them open. Look at this. See if it'll work. See, it's stuck. Alright, let me fix that. I'll be right back. Alright, so both of my bottles are now open, and I'm going to start my bullseye. I'm going to start with the orange because I know it's going to spread well. That the yellow seems to be spreading quite well. And we're just going to go back and forth with these two colors until we get a nice bullseye here. Moving rather quickly. Looks like that's as far as it wants to go. That's alright. We can work with that. Alright, now quickly before it dries, I'm going to attach it to the sides here. And then I'm going to do a back and forth motion for this particular look. And then down and up. And that left me with a pretty interesting design. Did not work so great on my pinky there. But that's what we got. Alright. So now let's remove it. Remove the latex. Imagine what this would look like if I didn't put the latex on. Oh, the disaster. That's a pathetic cat right there. Okay, so I'm just going to Call that good. That's kind of a cool avant-garde kind of a look. So what I'm going to do, because there are some spots, because I'm not trying to be the greatest water marbler ever, and we just wanted something different. This is a nice neon pattern. So what I'm going to do for this stuff, since there's a little bit of white showing, is I'm going to take some polish here, and I am going with yellow today. And I'm just going to cover up the white a little bit with that. And that's it. So I'm going to clean up around the edges and call that good. So that's it for this time, because I've already done 2 videos today, so that's long. And as you heard by that pathetic little meow, my cats are hungry. So that's it for this time. We will see you next time. Next week's theme is stripes. So we'll see you then.